When I first tried to get waves, I had no idea what I was doing. I'll be brushing my hair in the middle of class with my index finger on my crown like this, thinking I can get some crown isolation in. And since then, I've learned a lot and my waves now look like this. And today I'm going to explain to you the 3 greatest mistakes you're making that's messing up your waves. And I'll also be showing you the 3 keys to taking your waves from looking like this to looking like this. And the first of these 3 keys is found in how you wash your hair. Funny story, the first time I tried to do a wash style or wash my waves, I used pomade as shampoo, which really showed how little I knew about hair care in general, let alone waves. But as I got better at it, it instantly became my favorite method to do because after doing about 20 minutes of work, you'll instantly see results as soon as your hair is dry. However, it took me years to perfect this method, and I can assure you that you're doing it incorrectly, leaving tons of progress on the table. And to prove it, right now, your lather probably looks a little something like this. And just by making a few tweaks to your wash, we can make your lather turn into this. And this type of lather results in waves that look like this. But to simplify this process for you, I went ahead and I made a checklist of everything you should be doing for each of your washing styles. So after you finish doing a wash, you go ahead and you review it. If you miss a few things, don't worry, just implement that in your next washing style. By doing that over and over again, kind of like a process of just getting better, just picking up where you left off, improving where you fell short, your lather is gonna improve. That's how you get good at anything. Do it over and over and over again until you stop sucking at it. But by just following this checklist every single time, you'll be ensuring that you get the perfect washing style. As important as washing your face is, like waves, what you use to do it is almost as important as doing it. However, when wolfing, it's important to maintain your hair health as it can get harder and harder the longer your hair grows. And along with that, it's also extremely important that you're taking care of your skin health as well. Which is why I'm excited to have Teach Hanley as the sponsor for today's video. Teach Hanley makes the process of taking care of your skin extremely simple while giving you only the things you need and nothing you don't. Most of us guys don't truly understand how important it is to have a high quality skincare routine. But if you're anything like me and you prioritize taking care of yourself, taking care of your skin too is a game changer. I recommend you start with your level 1 system, which comes with all the basics you need. A daily face wash, an exfoliating scrub, and an AM and PM moisturizer, which the AM moisturizer comes with SPF 20 protection. And like most of us, you really don't have time to be doing tons of research on skincare. And Teach Hanley knows this, so they went ahead and included an instruction card in every single box, which tells you exactly what to do and when, saving you tons of hassle. I never used to take skincare seriously, and all that did was make me self-conscious about my skin. But once I finally took action on it, it changed everything. But don't just take it from me, because they have over 10,000 5-star reviews from customers around the globe. And just like your hairline, your skin isn't something you just want to put off. And thanks again to Teach Hanley for sponsoring today's video. However, there are a few more tweaks you can make to get even more progress. And that is simply by having more hair on your head, which takes us to our second key, which is wolfing. Wolfing is single-handedly the best thing you can do for your waves. And when done correctly, it makes your washing styles, which is already the best wave method, even more effective. For example, if it took you 4 weeks to break a fork when you're not wolfing, once you're in a deep wolf, it'll only take you 2 weeks. And just to show you how effective wolfing is, I'm going to share this quick story with you, which took my waves from looking like this to looking like this. Around 2 years ago, a lot was happening in my life. I went weeks without brushing my hair, and I even quit YouTube for a little bit. But after that short break and locking in on, which I guess was my winter arc since it was in December, I was determined to get my waves back. And thus, I went on my longest wolf ever, 16 weeks. Yes, 16 weeks. How many days is that? 112 days without getting a haircut. And during those 112 days of not cutting down the top of my hair, I didn't overwolf. And the secret to that was washing and styling twice a week, taking care and prioritizing my hair health, and using a hard brush for the majority of my brush sessions. So if I did a dry brush session, I would use the hard brush for 60% of the total amount. So if I went for 60 minutes, I used the hard brush, the soft brush for 10 of them, and a medium brush for 10 of them. And by my senior prom, my waves were looking like this. Wolfing made all the difference, so make sure that you're always wolfing and you're always doing your washing styles. And when you're doing your washing styles, pro tip, make sure the brush is hard enough to reach your scalp, because what good is brushing your hair if you're only hitting the top layers of it? The goal is to eventually cut it down so you can see your waves and they look pretty good, but You're not making any progress if your bristles aren't penetrating deep enough to hit the bottom layers. And honestly, the whole cheat code to doing all of this too is using shampoo bars. Because using shampoo bars takes the lather, which is the part of the washing style that makes all the difference, and it makes it way more effective. The best way to put it is that it molds your hair into place just like if it was clay. And I've gone ahead and I linked the one that I use the most in the description. However, it's extremely important to make sure that the shampoo you're using to do your washing styles is free of things like sulfates, parabens, and fragrances that is messing up your hair health. These type of ingredients are actively damaging your hair, making it even harder to make progress. Which leads to the third key, which is your hair health. When I was a beginner waver, my go-to was Cantu, and I liked using it because honestly, it just kind of looks like the type of moisturizer all the wave YouTubers were using, and I wasn't that invested to go ahead and buy the products they're using, which was a big mistake at the time. And I was like, close enough. So I just used it. But then my mom ended up telling me, hey, you probably shouldn't be using that Cantu. I find it really just dries out your hair. And I was like, what are you talking about? It literally says moisturizer on the thing. How is it gonna dry out and damage my hair? And little did I know, she was very, very right. But every time I use this product, it always left my hair dry and flaky. But after ignoring my mom's warning signs for a while, when I got deeper and deeper into waves, I ended up doing some research over Christmas break, and she was right. I ended up discovering that most of these hair care brands didn't really care about your hair health because of the harmful ingredients that they willingly put into their products, which like agents such as sulfates, which are literally used to clean out car engines. And once I switched to a healthier brand, the difference was almost instant. And once I made this change, I really started to make a lot of progress. December 2021, my waves looked like this right before I made the switch. When I did, in February of 2022, my waves looked like this, and I could finally consider myself an elite waver. So, to fix your waves, stop using products with damaging ingredients and switch to an all-natural product. But before doing so, it is smart to do your own research to see how this is affecting your hair personally. However, I already did all the research for you, so watch this video right here so you can fully unlock your hair's potential. Thanks for watching, guys.